Hello guys, I hope you people are fine and feeling well. In this video, we will learn that how we can create a Shopify dropshipping store from scratch step by step. In this video, I will show you how you can create a logo for your store, an image banner, and we have the slideshow, and these are the collections and an image with text. These are the products, again an image with text, but this time on the right side we have a big slideshow, and these are the customer reviews, and this is an image banner with another design, and these are the services. So let's learn step by step. So first of all, I will come to the Google tab and search for Shopify. So I will click on a first link, and now let's put our email. So you have to click on start free trial, and now Shopify will ask some question from you, but remember these are not important. You can always click on skip all and give the answer later, but let's give the answer like I am just starting. Clicks on next option and select the online store. Click on next option, and we are planning for drop shipping products. So let's click on next, select your country, and now let's click on next. Now let's put the email. So click on email and put the email. So let's paste the password and click on create Shopify account. So now Shopify will create an account for me in a couple of seconds. We have to wait for this. Alright, so I am always on the main dashboard of Shopify. Let's click on online store, and by default you will be on a theme. So there will be a Dawn theme, and we will use the Dawn theme in this video. We have some other themes, and these are also free, but let's customize the Dawn theme. So let's click on Dawn theme on customizer, and now let's create this theme. So the first thing first is an announcement bar. So here we have on announcement bar we have welcome to our store. So we want to change it. So let's click on announcement bar. We have this option. Let's click on this option and change it into free shipping to United States. We can also add more announcement bar by clicking on add announcement, and again click on this option, and now let's say 30 days return. So here I have to come to the announcement bar again, and now let's change its background. So now the background of this announcement bar is white. I want to change it to another color. So I will come to the setting, and now I will click on color option, and now here I will create a scheme. So for this scheme my background should be this color. So let me copy the code, Control C, come to here again and paste it here, and now the background color will be changed. Now the text on this background, I will like the white one, and the solid button background should be this one again. So I will click once again on announcement bar, and here change the scheme to scheme number 6. So this will be changed. Now here we have one another option, and that is auto rotate announcement. So we created two announcement bar. So if you check this option, so this will be rotate after every 5 seconds. So you can also increase or decrease the speed of rotation. Now let's come to the second part, and this is the time that we will create and learn how to design a logo for our store. So I created this logo on a Canva, which is a free software, and now I will show you exactly how you can create an eye-catchy logo. So here you can see my logo. I will come to the Canva and click on create a design and click on custom size. So here I will write 500 pixel by 500 pixel. Make sure this is pixel. Click on create new design. Now let's create a design. Before we create a design, let me give you some steps. I have to just show you the method. Then you can give more time and create an eye-catchy logo. But let me show you the method how you can create. So I will click to the elements and now just search for baby. So here I will come to the graphics and here we have more graphics. So you can use this one and give more time and create from your mind. But let me find this one, the one that I created. So I have to scroll down and here it is. So let's create this logo together. Let's come to the text and add the first heading. Write your store name. Change this text from Canva send to SK Primo. Now let's add the subheading. Now let's click on elements, come to the shapes and add this shape. Now let's change the color of the shape to our store color. And this is how you can create a logo. Again, you can give more time and create an eye-catchy logo. So I will use this logo. So let's click on share option and click on download and make sure this is PNG form and click on download option. We have another software and that is background remover by the name of BG. So let's open this software also. This is also a free software. So I will click on upload option and now let's upload the logo that we downloaded before. So let's double click on our logo and now this software will remove the white background from this logo. So once this is complete, you have to click on download option and now let's click on our store again. Let's click on this store tab and first of all change this position from middle left to middle center. Once this is complete, let's click the menu. So the menu should be drawer and here this is important option sticky header. So this is a kind of sticky header. You can see it is like a kind of disturbing. So I have to click on this option and make it none and here we have the scheme color. So let's say we want to have the scheme number 2 which is more interesting and now let's scroll down and here we have the mobile logo position is also center and here the padding should be 16 and here it is 20. Now let's upload our logo. So I have to click on theme setting and here we have a logo option. So let's select the image and upload our logo. So let's double click on this logo and now this is processing. Once the processing is complete, we have to click on done option. Once your logo is done, let's also increase its width. So it will be increased now and let's scroll down and we don't have any other options. So let's save all these options. Now it's time to create a store banner and we will have this store banner on our front. So let's create an eye-catchy store banner. Alright, so in this part we will learn that how we can create a store banner like this kind. So here I already created this store banner and now let me show you the process. So I will come to the Canva again and click on create a design, click on custom size and now let's delete first these two And here the store banner should be the 4320 by 2160. So this is the size of this banner, and let's click on create new design. So here I will open another free software by the name of pixels.com, and from here I have to have some pictures. So I have to search like baby, and now here you can see these all are the free pictures. So I have to first find this picture, this one baby, and this mother picture, and once I find this picture, then I will show you the further method. Alright, so I find this picture with this keyword baby, and I found this picture with this keyword mom baby. So let's download this picture first, and also let's download this picture first. Remember, you are not just stick with these two picture. You can use this baby picture, this one, and we have tons of pictures. So once you download the pictures, now let's come to our banner and click on upload options. So now let me design the banner again. You can just see the method, and you can create your own banner by giving more time, and you should be a creative also, so you can create an eye-catchy picture. So as I uploaded this picture here, the background is not a transparent. So we have to delete this background. So we will come to again the background remover, and now let's click on add option. And here we have to double click on this picture. So this software will remove the background. Once the background is removed, let's download this picture again, come to the Canva, and now let's upload the picture that doesn't have any background. Let's click on elements. Let's click on this shape. Again, click on upload and upload this picture. Now let's click on these border style. Let's change the border color from black to the color that our store has. Now let's click on text and add a heading. So I just copy from here, and here we have a multiple font. So the first font is a brown sugar, and the second one is a canvas sand. So let's make the first one a brown sugar. So here we have a brown sugar, and the second one is a canvas sand, but not in bold form. Now let's add a subheading, and I will just copy from here and just paste it here. So let's unbold these and just customize them. Once everything is done, now we have these elements and this one element. So let's add these element. So now first let me show you how I found these element. Then we will add these element. So here you can see this is a kind of like a lever. So let's search here for lever. So I will click on element again, and here in search bar I will search for lever. So here I will come to the graphics again, and here you can use this leaf, this one, and here we have much more leaves. So I use the leaf. You can also use some other elements. So I will just copy from here and paste it here. Control V. I will also copy this line from here and paste it here. And here we have the same line. Copy from here, paste it here, and here I will click on position, click on layer, and here we have this leaf. So Control C, copy, and Control V, paste. Now the last, and this is these lines. So let me copy from here and paste it here. We have one another last option, and that is interesting in this banner. And that is the beauty of this banner, and that is this faded option that you can see here. You can see this faded option. So now let's add this faded option also. So just I will search here for fade, and here you can see we have these faders. Some of them are pro, that you have to pay monthly to Canva so that you will be able to use them. And here you can see these are the free. So this one is the faded option that I use for this banner that you can see here. So let me show you the process. So here I will click on this fade, and now let's make this one up to 90. Let's increase its width, and now let's decrease its transparency up to 50, and now let's make it like this kind. So this is how you can see. So this is how you can create a banner, and you can give more time and create an eye-catchy banner. I have to just show you the method. So I will use this banner, and here I have to click on share option, and now let's click on download. Make sure this is PNG form, and now let's have the picture. So this is the page number 5. So current page, click on done and click on done option. So let's come to our store again, and now let's click on our banner. So let's select an image and add an image, and double click on our banner. So this is uploading. Once the uploading is complete, then it should be processing, and once the processing is complete, we have to click on done option. Alright, so let's click on done option, and now here you can see here we have like a kind of darkness. So if we want to delete this darkness, so let's decrease this opacity. So here you can see the darkness is not present now. Now let's change the banner height to the first one, adapt to the first image, and here we have the bottom center, which is okay, and everything is on center, and the scheme number 3 is okay, and image behavior is none, okay, and the mobile content alignment is center, which is okay. Now let's click on this, and here remove this one, and now here we have a button. So let's click on this button. So again click on home page, and now let's click on this button, and now let's change this to shop now. But here you can see this is invisible, so we have to link this button to our collections, and we haven't created any collection yet, but we will create it soon. So let's link this button with all collections, and let's uncheck this option. So here you can see we have the shop now, but we don't have any background here. So we will come to our setting option, and now here we have to click on our banner, and now let's change the scheme number 3 to scheme number 6. So then it will be changed to our store color, and now it's look beautiful. So once everything is complete, let's click on save option, and this is how you can create a store banner. So let's view our store, how our store look like. So I will click on these three dots and click on view option. So here you can see our announcement bar, our store logo, and this is the banner. Now let's move to the next step. Alright, so in this part we will learn that how we can add this slideshow and also this collection, and there will be a bonus tip also. So stay tuned for that. So let's create this slideshow first. So I will come to the Canva again, and here you can see how I created this banner. So just simply after that banner you have to simply click on like this add page, like let me show you, add a page, and now let's design this banner. So let me show you the process. So simply I will come here, and on this element I will search for baby again, and here if you look to this banner, so I add like this baby, and this is our store logo again, and this is a cloud, and here like a kind of feet, and here this is a star. So these are just elements. So let me click on graphics again, and here you can add like let's say this one. So let's decrease it and let's change the transparency to 50. Now let's add some others like this one, and add more elements which is related to your store. You can add this one also. And here we have some others elements, so you have to just search them. This one is also related to our store. You can also copy Control C and paste them, Control V, and paste it somewhere else. This one also Control C, Control V, and paste it somewhere. This one also Control C, Control V, and paste it somewhere. This one also Control C, Control V, and paste it like here. And add other stuffs. So once you added, let me show you the last option, and this is that fed again that I show you for this banner, and let's search for that fed again, and here you can see this is the fed that I show you the method before. So let me just simply copy from here and paste it here, and also let's copy from here and paste it here, and this is how you can create this banner. Again, I have to just tell you the method, then you can give more time and create an eye-catchy banner. So I will just use this banner, and here I will click on download option, and now let's this time download the current page. And remember again, these all elements are free, so you have to just spend a few minutes. So once you download the banner, let's come to our store again, and now let's add a store banner, a slideshow. So I have to click on add section, and here I have to click on slideshow. So here the slide height should be adapt to the first image, and here let's scroll down, and image behavior is none. Content, show content below image on mobile. So this is like the white background, this is a kind of content, so we don't want to show them on mobile, also on desktop also. Let's uncheck this option and let's remove this one. So once you done, just click on this banner, and now let's upload the image that we downloaded before. So let's double click on this banner, and if you give a name banner or slideshow, everything is same. So just click on done option. Once this is done, now let's write here, welcome to our store, welcome to Bonjonu. This is my store name, but let's capitalize them. Welcome to Bonjonu, and let's also bold them. And now here let's write a small description. So I will use an AI tool, and you can also use like a chart GPT or a bard, but here I will use a Shopify AI tool, and that is this one. So just like let's say, so I have to just write it, then I will show you the process. All right, let's click on generate option. So now this AI bard or this AI tool will generate a small description for my store. So here you can see, just read them and select the one that you like. So let's say like creating you to your little one need Bonjono premier selection of high quality baby items. So here I will select this one, and now let's double click again on this option and click on generate option, and just like write extend. So this will extend my existing description again. So once this is complete, let's click on this option, and now let's click on button and write explore. Let's also link this button with our blog page. So we haven't created any blog page, but let's link this button to our one of the blog page and click on user, so it will be linked. But remember, here we have a white background, and we will try our best to use this background. So now I will show you the method. So I also delete the show content on desktop, and here we have the content alignment is on center, and here we have the image overlay opacity, so this is 0, it's okay. If you increase this, so here we will have a darkness, so let's decrease this one also, and change the scheme to scheme number 6. But here is a problem. Here you can see the writing are hide. Here you can see, and if I change it again, so here we have a black writing. That's why on a scheme number 6, we have the writing, we have white. So that's why the writing are hide. So now let's click on setting again and come to the colors, and here on a color I have to select the scheme number 6 and change the text to black. So here you can see again we have the writing. So once everything is complete, you have to click on save option, and this is how you can add a slideshow. Now let's come to the most important part, and that are the collections. And after collection we will have a bonus step, and in this collection you will be also able that how we can add the products from AliExpress to our store. So let's begin. I have to click on these exist option, but the right click, and I have to click on a first option. And now let's come to the products, and here I will click on collection. So by default there will be a home page collection. I have to delete this home page collection, and here I have to delete this one and create new collections. So let's click on create new collection and give a name like baby diaper, and this is an optional. You can also write the description, but I don't like. And now let's create an image for this collection. So I will come to the Canva back, and here now I will show you how you can create a picture for a collection. So I will come to the Canva again, and here I will select the images that I will use, and I will also open AliExpress so that I will be able to copy the images. So here AliExpress, and now let's click on a first link, and now just search here for like baby diapers, diaper diaper, and here we have this product. So now let me first show you the images, that how I will created these images. So here you can see like for example this images. So here we have these borders. So I will show you exactly how you can create this kind of picture. The size for this picture should be 2048 by 2048. So let's click on create a design, click on custom size, and just write 2048 by 2048 and click on create new design. So let's first copy some images. So now I will again use one another software, and that is free, and the name of that software is Ali Downloader. So let's click on Ali Downloader, and let's click on this one link. And here this is not the one that I like, and this is the one that we will use for this store. So I have to click on add to Chrome here and add existence extensions, and now this will be added. So once this is added, now let's cancel these tabs, and here you have to select those products that have white background. So let's say this one product, let's say this one bag, and let's use this one also, and let's use some other keyword like baby feeding, and let's find some other products like this one, let's say one more this one, and let's have another like baby toy. So these all are the keywords. Alright, so once everything is done, now you have to just click on download variant images. So here this software will download all these variant images. Let's come to this product also and click on download variant images, and here come here also, and I don't like this product. Let's come to another product like this one, click on variant images, and here come to this product and click on download variant images. Once everything is done, you have to come to the Canva again, and now let's click on upload option and click on upload file, And now let's select one product like this one, and let's say this bag and this bag also, and let's say this diaper also. So let's click on open option, and now let's create this picture, this kind of picture. So here first of all I will show you the method of adding these feds. So they are the same fed that I use for other banners, and let me show you these feds. Here you can see, but let me show you the process. So here I will come to the Elementor and search for fed option and click on graphics, and here we have let's use this fed, make it 90, increase the size, and change the transparency up to 20. So once this is complete, just copy Ctrl C and again Ctrl V, and now bring it to the downside. So once this is complete, again Control V and just bring it here and change this time to 0 or also 180, you can say. So here you can see, make it here, and again now this time copy this one and paste it here and bring it here. So once this is complete, again come to the upload option and just paste this picture. And this is how you can create a picture. Again, you have to give more time and create an eye-catchy picture. So now let me create pictures. Once I complete, then we will proceed forward. Alright, so I created almost 4 to 5 picture here you can see, and now let's use these pictures. So I will come here again to my store, and here first of all I will delete these products, and here I will come to my store again, and for baby diaper I will search, I will click on add image, and here first of all I will select an image. So this one is the best one. Let's copy this one picture and click on share. Again click on current page. So the current page is 27. Let's click on download option, and now here come to our store and just click on image, add image, and now let's add this image. So once you add the image, so here you have to wait for this cursor. Once this is complete, we have to click on save option. So once you save the collection, now let's view the collection, and this is how you can create a collection. So let me add some more collections. Once I complete the collection, then we will proceed forward. So I will click on create collection. Alright, so I almost created 3 collections, and now let's add the products to our store. So I will click on products, and here I will click on add product, and here I will just write a title like baby diaper, and here I have to create a description for this product. So you can simply copy and paste from AliExpress, or you can also create a description using this AI tool. So here I will just write my product name, and here I will generate a text. So here you can use this text, or you can also get help from other AI tools like ChatGPT or AI Bard. So once you complete this one, let's upload the media. So before that, I have to download the picture. So the product name is a baby diaper. So here let me select the picture. So the picture should be this one. So let's click on share, and let's click on download option, and let's click on 28 and make the current page. Click on done and click on download option. Once this is complete, let's come to our store again and click on upload new. So let's double click on our picture, and you can also add more pictures. So let me also show you the method. So let's click on upload new, and here let's say I want to add this one and this one also. So double click on your pictures. So these are processing. So on a right side we have an item category. So let's say baby, and here wipes, and product type is a baby diaper, and the vendor you can write AliExpress, or don't need to write these things. And the collection, I want to add this product in bestseller collection and also in baby diaper. And here we have the tags baby, baby diaper, and much more. So then we have a pricing, and let's say the price is 9.99, and here we have a compare price. So the compare price should be like 12.99, and let me understand you on a compare price. So the compare price mean that the actual price is 9.99 and the compare price is 12.99. So there should be a strike on 12.99 and like a kind of sale, and the actual price is now 9.99. So here we have the cost per item, no need to write it. And here we have the quantity. So let's say we have 10 pieces, and here we have continue selling when out of stock. So this option mean that let's say you sell these 10 pieces, so if you check this option, so still your product will be on stock even if you sell these pieces. When you uncheck this option and you sell these 10 pieces, so your product will be out of stock. So let's click on this option, and now we have the waiter. So you can check your vendor or your supplier, and there what is the weight you can write. So for example, I will write 2.6 kg, or I can change it into lb. And here we have the variation. So let's add the variation also. So let's say I want to add the color variation. So we have the red one color, we have the black one color, and we have the blue one color, and much more. I have to just show you the method, and here you can write the prices. You can also change them like 10.99, and here we have the piece is 5, here we have let's say 20, and you can also here add an image. So we have the red one. So let's say for red one I paste this picture. So once the processing is complete, you have to click on done option, and this is how you can add the picture. So I am not going to add the variants, so that's why I just show you the method. I have to delete the variants now, And now let's come to the last option, and that is search engine listing. So let's understand this option also. This option help you little bit in SEO. Remember, on Shopify you have to bring the customers through ads. So if you work here, it is okay. If you left this option, that's also okay, because you have to bring the customer through your ads. You have to spend money on ads. So this will also help you little bit in SEO. So you can write here page title baby diaper. You can add more things, baby diaper for kid. And here you can also remove or write the description. And here this is your product URL. So up to here this is your URL and this is your product name. So you can also write something or also delete something. So once everything is okay, you have to click on save option. And now let's click on product, and this is how you can add product to your store. So let me add more products and then we will proceed. One option is remaining, and that will be the bonus point, and that should be after this part. So let's proceed forward. All right, so I almost added three products, and now let's come to our store. And now let's click on this banner again. And now let's come and scroll down and click on add section. And now let's add on collection list. So now we are going to add the collections. So first of all, remove this one, and this is the medium, the square, which is okay, and the number of columns on desktop. So now this is 3, which is okay. You can also increase or decrease. And now let's change the scheme to scheme number 2. And now here we have enable view all button if list include more collection than show. So this option mean that if you have, let's say, 10 collection and here we have only 5 options, so you have more collection than you are selected. So now you have to click on this option. So there will be a view button option, view all. So then people can click on that button and view all your collections. So we have only 3 collections, so no need to click on this button. And here we have the mobile layout. So the column number 1 is okay, and enable sweep on mobile. This is also help you if you have more collections. So now no need to to click this option. And here we have the padded, so that should be 16 by 20. And now let's click on this first collection, and now let's link this collection with the first one, baby bestseller. And now let's scroll down and click on second collection, select the collection, and let's say we have the diaper. And now let's click on third collection, select the collection, and the last one is the baby bag. Select this one, and now let's save these collections. So once you save this collection, just click on these 3 dots again and click on view option. So now let's view our store. So here we have these collections, and now here we have a 4 collection place. So let's remove this one. So I will come here, and now let's click on this option, collection list. And here we have the 3, which is okay, and everything is okay. So here we have 1 2. So this collection, let's remove this collection and let's save this collection, and let's now reload this page. So still here we have a problem. So let's click on this collection. This is this one, baby bag. And here let's add one more collection. So here we have add a collection and click on collection, and let's say we want to add this baby bag. So let's click on save option, and now let's view our store. So still we have a problem. Let's do it from the very beginning. So collection list and add collection list. Here we have the three collections. So now first let's add this collection. So I would like this one, the first one, this one, the second one, and now let's click on this one, the third one. And now let's come here, click on collection list and remove this one. And here 3 is okay. Scheme number 2 and view I already told you, and let's make it 16 by 20. And now let's save these and again reload our store. So how it will look like. So still here I don't like this because here we have some glitches, and now let's search what are the glitches. Okay, there were no glitches actually. Here were some point, and let me understand you about that. Actually, our collections are here. You can see these are our collections. But here we were focusing on these products, and these are the feature products, and this will be our next step, and this is already added to our store from Shopify side. So let's remove this option. Where are you? What are you doing here, brother? You just confuse us. And let's save it. And now let's reload our store. So now everything is okay. Here you can see our logo, our store banner, and I am going to add this whole scenario because you can also face this scenario. Everything is live. Okay, you can see. So once this is complete, here you can see our collections. So this is looking beautiful. So now let's proceed forward, and now let me give you the bonus step. So the bonus step is that you will come here, click on add selection and click on rich text, and now again go back, delete this one also, this button also. Now click on rich text, and now change the scheme to scheme number 6, and change the padded to 4 and this padded to 8. And now let's come here again. We have here a 6 dots, so just double click on this, paste this rich text between your collection list or slideshow, and now let's download or sorry save this, and now just view your store. So there will be an amazing view. So this is a bonus tip for you people. So here you can see an amazing look, and this is how you can create the collection list. You can add the products and you can add the slideshow. We have also some another interesting parts further. So let's proceed forward. Alright guys, so in this part we will learn how we can add an image with text. We will also learn how we can add these products, and again an image with text, but this time on right side. So let's begin. Here you can see the banner that I created. Now I will show you exactly how I created this banner. So I will come here and I will just click on add page, and before that I need some images. So I will come to the pixel again, and here search for like let's say baby toys, And here let's select this picture, and also let's download this picture, and let's download this time this picture. And now let's create a banner. So simply I will come to the elements again, and here I will come to the grid. So I will click on grids, and here I will select the first one. Now let's copy this one again and paste it here. Click on position, and this is our first one, so bring it forward. Click on upload, now let's click on this picture, click on border style, and make this one 40. Make this one 20, and make this one 30. And this is how you can create this banner. Again, you have to give more time and create an eye-catchy banner. I have to just show you the method. Now I will download this banner. Click on share now, click on download, and again click on current page, click on download. And now let's come to the software that will remove the background from our this banner. So let's click on add image, and let's double click on our photo. So I already paste this picture here. I have to just click on download option, and now let's come to our store, and here I have to click add section and an image with text. So first of all, let's add an image. I have to click on image and click on select image, and here let's add an image, and let's add this image. Once the uploading is complete, then processing, and then we have to click on done option. So here we have some other option. Image height adapt to the first image is okay, and middle medium is okay, and image first, image second. So if you click on this, so the image will be shift on a right side, but let's make it on a left side. And the desktop content position should be the middle, and this one alignment should be on a center. And here we have the scheme number one, and here we have the scheme number one again. Image behavior is none, and here we have the mobile content alignment, so it should be also on a center. And let's make this one 16 and this one 20. Once everything is done, now let's come to the first one and write like a baby SAFEEY, safety and care. Let's make them bold, control B. And now let's come here and just write any description. So here I will use AI board, and here you can see I give the instruction like hi. So I wrote that I have my Shopify drop shipping store and now I want to describe it. So could you write an attractive description for my store? So here you can see AI board write a description. So I will just copy from here and then come to my store back and just paste it here. So here you can see once everything is okay, now just come to the last option, that is the button. So here I will just write shop now and link this button to my collection. So here I will click on best seller and now everything is done. So once everything is done, let's come to the image with text again, and here look if there is something missing. So everything is okay. Now let's click on save option and now let's add the products. So click on add section and click on feature collections. So here I have to click on feature collections and just write like collect for your best is. You can also write choose for your besties. And now the heading size should be the medium, the description is open optional, and let's bold them. Now here we have show collection description from the admin, no need to write it. Description style should be the body. And now let's add one collection. So I will add the bestseller. And now here we have the maximum products to show. So let me show you this point practically. So I will click on these three dots and click on view option, and here you can see we have four selected, but here we have only three products. So it will be look like, first let me save this one and now let's reload our store. So it will look like this. Here will be a space. So I want to remove this space, so I have to select the three and here also three. And now let's save this option. So once I save this one, here you can see how it will look like. So if you have four products, so then you can select four. And if you have, let's say we have only five option and you have, let's say, 10 products, so then you have to click on this enable view all option. So then here we will have a view all option button. So if people click on that button, they will see all your products. I hope you people got point. Then we have the solid button, and these all are optional. And here we have the image shaper, so this one is okay. And here let me show you these points also practically. So here we have only two, the product title and the price. If I select show vendor, show second image first, this one and this one, and save this one, so here you can see the changes. So if you want these changes, you can click these options. Otherwise you can uncheck these options like here add to cart button and your store name. So no need to write them, and just uncheck and uncheck this one also and save these options. Now let's come to the padding again, write 16 by 20. And now everything is done. So once everything is done, now let's come and this time add an image with text. But this time you don't need to work hard a lot. This time you have to just click on image with text on three dots and duplicate this one. So let's come to this one and drag from here and bring it after feature collection and click on an image with text. First of all, we have to change this banner. So here I created this banner and let me show you how you can create this banner. So I will use this banner, and now first let me show you the process. So here I will click on add page, and now first of all I will come to the elements and I will select a grid. So here I will come to the grid, select the first one, and here let's make this picture. I will copy this one, paste it here again, copy this one, paste it here again, and click on position and bring this one, the first one, and now again you have to download some pictures from here. And once you download the picture, let me use some picture like this one. So this one will be here, let's say this one, so this one here, and let's say this time this baby, so this one will be here. Now let's add some text. So simply I will copy from here, and now I will show you the font of this text. So Control V, make it clear, and now here you can see the font is Bebas, and here also, and the last one also. Once everything is done, now let's add the borders. So I will select all of them, and here click on border style, click on this one and make this one 30 this time, and here we have the round is 20 almost, and everything is done. So let's make this one here, and that is how you can create this banner. So I will just copy this one, and one option is remaining, that is this faded option. So let me show you this one, faded option. So simply I will copy from here, paste it here, and I will also copy from here and paste it here. So this is how you can create a store banner. So once everything is done, simply you have to again download this picture and then remove the background. And once you remove the background, here you can see you have to download that picture, come to your store, and now let's remove this picture. I have to click on remove option, select the new image, and here I have to add the new image. So double click on your banner, and now this is processing. So once the processing is complete, let's click on done option, and now this time let's make this one image second, and here you can see the text on the left side. So everything is okay because we just duplicate the first one, and just let's change here. So like let's say baby collections, and you can also write baby choice collections, and add some text here. So I will just rephrase them. In other words, let's use this one. And here let's change the button also. So this time let's say we want to link this button with one of our product. You can also use another collection, like let's say baby bag, and that's all. Once everything is done, you have to click on save option. And now let's view our store. So our logo, banner, slideshow, collections, an image with text, products, and again an image with text, but this time an image on the right side. And here we have to just change the schema. So I will come to the feature products again, and here change the scheme from scheme number 1 to scheme number 2, so it will be more attractive. So let's save this one, and now let's reload our page. So now it is best. So now once this is done, now let's add another slide show. I have to click on add section and click on slide show. So I will add only one, and now let's add this one. So first of all, the slide height should be adapt to the first image, and here we don't have this option because we have only one slider. And content alignment on mobile, there will be no content alignment. Let's remove this one also. Let's click on image slider, and here select an image. So I will show you the image that I will use for this store, and that is this one. You can find this picture again here, and let me find this picture for you. Here you can see this is the picture. So you have to click on download option. Once this is download, again click on add page, upload the file, and double click on your picture. So once this is upload, simply click on this product or this picture and just drag this picture. Now let's add this text. So this one is this one text you can see, and here this one is a Bebas again, and this one is also Bebas again. So simply I will copy from here and paste it here. And this is how, let me customize this one. So this is how you can create your banner. Again, I have to tell you, I have to just show you the method, then you can give more time and create an eye-catchy banner. So I will click on share, and now let's click on download option and click on current page, done, and download this banner. So once this is download, let's come here, select an image, add an image, and now let's double click on your image. So once the processing is complete, we have to click on done option. So now let's scroll down and remove this one, also remove the subheading, and now let's write here shop now and link this button with one of our product, let's say baby toy, and make this one on a middle center, so this is okay. And uncheck this option, so this will be removed, and the scheme color is the one, it's okay. And this is how you can add a slideshow. So let me save this one, and now let's just view our store. So I will click on three dots, click on view option, and now let's view our store. Alright guys, so this is the last part, and in this part we will learn how we can add the reviews of our customer, an image banner, but this time with another design. And then on last we will discuss or learn how we can add our services. So let's begin with our customer reviews. So I will come to my store again, click on add section, and now this time click on multi columns. So here, first of all, I will come to the multi columns, remove this one, and the heading size and image width is okay, adapt to the first image, and we will have only three columns, and column alignment should be on a center, and here the button label should be no. And here we have, let's scroll down and make this one 16 and this one 20. Now let's create a picture for the first column. So I will come here, and here I will come to the Canva, and now I will show you exactly how I created this image. So simply I will come here, add an image, come to the elements, and here click on circle, and let's say up to here, make it big, and it's okay now. And now I will come to the Pixel again, which is a free software, and search here for like a keyword man. So just select one picture, like let's say this man, or also let's add this man. And now let's come here and click on upload option, click on upload file. So now our picture will be downloaded in a couple of seconds. Let's check it again. So here you can see we have to wait for this. Let me add one another point, and that is, let's say this time we want to add 20%. So let's wait for this. We have some other pictures. We don't have any other picture. So let's first download this picture. Let's work here, like let's say the name should be John, and here I will come here again and click on this AI bar, or here I will write that my Shopify, or I will simply write like write a 5-star positive feedback for my Shopify drop shipping store. So let's click on generate, and let's click on this one, and here we don't have any label here, so this is okay now. And now let's come here again, and let's click on upload file, and here let's click on this one. Make sure the picture look like an authentic picture, so let's click on this one, And so once you done, then you have to click on elements, and now this time search for 5 star. Click on graphics, and here add these stars. So here you can see how you can create this banner. So you can also change the color, like the color code is this one. You can copy from here or change this one color, paste it here, and that's all. So simply I created here almost 3 or 4. So the process is the same one. So let me copy this one, click on download, and current page done. Click on download options. Once this is download, then you have to come to the background remover again and just click on add option. And now let's add this new picture. So here it is downloading, and now let's click on add picture. So this software remove the background from my picture, but it also remove the 5 star. So let's click on erase option, and let's click on restore, and let's say double click on the first review, then again double click on a second review, and continue the process. Alright, so I restore all my reviews, and here you can see this picture also, this one also. So once everything is done, just download this one, and also download this one, and here download this one. Sometime here we have problems, so just reload this software, then it will work. So just come to your store again, click on your first review, and here let's select a picture. So add an image, and for John, let's say I will use this picture, and now this is processing, and once it's done, let's click on done option. Alright, so I added almost 3 reviews, and now let's check and view our store. So I will click on view option, and now let's view our store, how it's look like. So I will scroll down, and here we have this banner, and this is, here you can see how our review look like. So here you can see the review color, each and everything is okay, the scheme is also okay. Now let's add another image banner. So I will come to my store and click on add section, and click on image banner. So here I will use this banner, this one banner. You can find this image here with different keywords. So let me show you the process again, baby. And this image is here. Let me show you this one, or this one is different. You can also use this one. Here you can see. Let's download this picture. Come to your text, click on add page, and here let's click on upload the file, and now it is downloading, so it will take a couple of seconds. Now let's click on upload file, and double click on your picture, and here you can see I use the same text here also and here, so you can change the text also. So let's click on this one, and here drag this picture, and here I will use this text again, and I will show you the font also. So the first one is this one, Brittany and Babus, and again Babus. So I will copy this image banner, and page number, this time page number 12, click on download option, and now let's come to our store. So here I will click on image banner and just select an image, and click on this image, click on done option. Now let's scroll down. The image banner should be adapt to the first image, and content alignment is middle center, okay. Scheme number 1 is okay. Image behavior should be the zoom in on scroll. So here let's scroll down, and now let's come here and click on this first one and remove this one. Click on second one, remove this one. Click on these buttons, remove the first one also, and on a second one write shop now, and also remove this content. So here I will click on image banner, and here I will click on container. So uncheck this one. Here you can see our button is like a kind of hide, so we have to link this button. So I will click on, let's say, one of my product, baby diaper, and now it will be changed. So this was the first one. Let's link the second one with a product, baby diaper. So here you can see. But let's say I want to have this button in bottom center, so it will be best. So now let's save this one, and let's add the last section, that is the multi column. So here I will click on multi column. Let's click on duplicate, and now let's just drag this multi-column down. So here I will click on multi-column, and here we have everything okay. Everything is okay. Now let's change the first column from John to, first of all we will create a picture. So here you can see I will use this picture. Let me show you. This one, free shipping and quality product, and here we have a customer review. So let's make this one. So first of all we have this free shipping, so I will come here, add an image, come to the elements and write here free shipping. So here we have more option, this one is best one, and I will also write like let's say quality product. So we have let's add a page. So let's add this one for quality product with this keyword quality, and the last one is customer support. So let's add another page, and now let's find an element. So let's add this one, and I found this one with this keyword customer service, and now let's add the circles. So this is how you can create and I created almost four. So I will copy from here and click on download option, current page, and now I will back to the background remover. So here I will click on add, and now let's double click on this option and remove the white background. So once this is removed, let's come to our store again, and now this time change this image, and now let's upload the new image. So let's double click on this one. Let's click on download option, and now let's change also the name. So first let's make it bolder and write free shipping, and here write something about free shipping. So I will write here free shipping. So I will paste this one. Now this one is okay. So here you can see the first column is done. Now I will repeat the same process for these two columns also. Alright, so I added two more columns, quality product, customer service, and let's add one last rich text. So I will click here and let's duplicate this text, and now let's just drag from here and bring it at the end of our theme. So here I will paste it here, and now let's click on save option. Now we have done everything, our store is ready. So now let's view our store. So let's click on three dots, click on view, and now let's check our store. So our announcement bar, here we have our logo, our store banner, we have the slideshow, and now let's scroll down, we have the collection, and here we have an image with text. These are the products. Here we have an image with text, a banner, we have the customer reviews, and this is an image with banner, and these are the services. Alright, so this is how you can create your Shopify dropshipping store. Remember, all the links will be present inside the description, especially the Shopify link. Because if you go on that link and create your Shopify dropshipping store, you will have 3-month trial for only $1. So make sure to check that link. And also, if you get the value from this video and you enjoy this video, so hit the like button, share it with your friend. Thank you. Until next time, take care of yourself and wait for the next video too. Thank you.